How to remove background noise for live recordings in Audiolab. First of all, open the app on your device and navigate to the Recording Tools section. Tap on Record, then enable the noise suppressor option to minimize unwanted background sounds while capturing your audio. Once you are ready, tap Start to begin recording your live audio. After finishing your recording, tap the tick button to save it. Next, select the Edit Audio option to refine your recording further. From here, choose the Audio Noise Remover feature. You can then select the specific type of noise you want to remove from the available option, whether it's background chatter, hums, or environmental sounds. Adjust the settings as needed to ensure your audio remains natural and clear. Once satisfied with the noise reduction, tap Save to apply the changes and finalize your recording. Now you know how to remove background noise for live recordings in Audiolab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more audio editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.